Let's see how this works.
Yeah, we need to get this USB cable like looped under the table or something.
Alright, we can do that. It gets eaten.
Right.
All these other, I don't see anything else that's in danger here. I think I'm burning out that other LED there too. You know what, I might as well just unplug it before I completely do. So, because it's not as bright anymore either. Which means that whole little assembly is pretty much worthless by now. Okay, it's gonna jump up. Wait a minute, I didn't restart it,
Okay.
so it's
It
not
should still be where it is. Let's see.
where my controls are telling it to now.
Well, that's not bad.
Oh, because it's slower. It's
Right.
just immediate.
Let me adjust that pencil for you there, Doctor. Okay, look, here's what you do. Look, don't pick up without the pencil. Now,
Just leave the pencil there, showing that that's where we can grab.
so now pick it up.
Or draw. Use the other pencil to draw a line there beside it, so we know where to put it.
Yeah, so if you do this is like the selling the show. So you pick the cork up, you put it over there, then you come over here and then you get the pencil. You go there and knock the cork over or something like that. Yeah, it'd be cool if it could stand up. Yeah. Oh, almost. Yes. Oh. Yes. All right. Now, doctor, don't you need to write a prescription for that patient?
If only I had my pencil.
If only you had a trusty pencil with which to write a prescription.
Here. Oh, locked it. Can you put it on that side, maybe?
It just won't close hard
Oh.
enough, huh?
Sorry, my fault. That wasn't. It's gonna fall in a second.
Oh, it's in perfect writing position. Oh, it comes over in perfect writing position. Oh, that's perfect. Beautiful. All right, let's try that. Let's try that again. And the next time we'll see if
So this shouldn't be. Look at that. Check it out. It's not letting me hit the servo.
yeah,
I'm
perfect.
telling it go, 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 go.
And it
It's
won't.
like, I'm
Yeah.
done.
It's that excellent software. Can still get it. Close.
It's hard work.
Well, all right. See if you can grab that pencil. Oh, he's gonna stand it up. A little practice. All right, let's try for the pencil.
See if we can implement some sort of filtering magic.
Yeah, it's just hard to pick up flat.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's if when you grab it flat, if you can manipulate it somehow into being vertical. In other words, grab it and then kind of.
Well, I think it's some other objects that were easier to pick up though. I mean, you don't necessarily have to get a pencil.
What is this?
Solder sucker.